All right, guys, I'm getting decked. I'm gonna see if the Tundra is gonna be good enough to run some maintenance service calls, and let's see what we got here. See if we're good for HVAC. Tools. Oh, I need pals. Dogs in the house. I don't need an alibi today. I'll get some music out here. More cowbell for sure. Yeah, I got my drink. Let's see what this came with. Ooh, nice. That's cool. Wow, I could throw my vacuum pump rig stuff in there. Watertight. Nice. Maybe I could throw my field piece stuff in. Oh, that's cool. Yeah, I don't know how it's going to pack out, to be honest with you. There's not too many videos with guys doing HVAC. So, I don't know. It's 5:30. It's a Friday. Let's see how quick we can get this in the back of the truck. I'm going to use this as a backup. In advance, having some O2 sensor issues, so I had to move everything over anyway. So, oh, this is cool too, right in front. All right, I'll keep you guys in the loop and see what happens. All right, I'm about 20 minutes in. Instructions set to get everything laid out. Got all the nuts and bolts laid out. And step one. All right, another half an hour in. And we got the top deck on. Not too bad. Step three. All right, I think we started at 5:30. Now it's 7. I got the draw brackets in. Gonna do the wheels. And then we're on step number 5. Staying alive. Run out of the sun. All right, guys, it's 7:30. We got it done. I think started around 5:30, so not too bad. A couple of hours. Check it out. Looks good. Got the blower door set up. Don't know where the vacuum pump's gonna go, but I'm gonna do a loadout tomorrow. This thing is sweet. This thing is sweet. Probably put vacuum pump rig in here. I don't know. Let's see how it plays out. Nitrogen in there. And when the tailgate locks, it's going to be protected, but you can also get locks for them too. And then this came with the kit too. Pretty nice. That'd be good for vacuum core removal tools up here. I don't know. That's another day. It's late. I wanted to start when it was like around 5 o'clock so that I wasn't getting beat up by the sun. Just trying to see where stuff goes. I got this Vito Pro pack with the backpack that I got. So I don't know. Blower door is gonna fit back there nice. And I got the fan in the back. Just trying to see where everything fits. And not bad. I did it by myself. 2 hours, 3 hours, if you want to go take it at a slow pace. Really sweet. Super sweet. But like I said, I'll do tomorrow. See where all the tools line up, and it's got this cool plate on the front, pipe size and measuring tape. But it's going to be nice not to have stuff rolling in the back anymore. And then I got that capper I could throw on the back right now, so I could slide some stuff in, and in the future just do a shell. Nice little cap, but it turned out good. It's got these spots for bins right on the side, four in each corner. But I'm stoked, man. Let's see how this thing plays out, and we'll keep you guys in the loop. See ya.